In September, Apple will unveil the iPhone 17 series globally, and it is expected to announce the iPhone 17e next year. Like the iPhone 16e, which debuted earlier this year, the iPhone 17e is expected to arrive as the most affordable phone in the iPhone 17 series. A new leak courtesy of Tipster Digital Chat Station has revealed the key specifications of the iPhone 17e. The iPhone 17e will be equipped with a 6.1-inch OLED display, most likely the same 60Hz low-power panel used on the iPhone 16. It will reportedly carry the same dynamic island design and be powered by the Apple A19 chipset. For cameras, the front is said to include a 12-megapixel sensor with 3D facial recognition, while the rear may house a 48-megapixel main camera. The overall design is expected to see significant changes, but the biggest highlight of the iPhone 17e could once again be its positioning as the most affordable iPhone in the lineup. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.